Are you daunted by the idea of handling a drill, or looking for something you can simply fit and forget? Croydex have solved the problem and are offering the ultimate quick fix solution when it comes to installing wall-mounted bathroom accessories. The stick and lock range includes bathroom essentials from towel rails to toilet roll holders and mirrors to storage baskets. What's more is that all of the products feature the 2 ways to fix technology, making them easy and quick to install. These high-quality chrome-plated bathroom fittings do not require the use of drills or screws. Just make sure you have a clean surface and you are good to go. So how does it work? It's simple. Simply undo the decorative cap and remove the adhesive pad from the product. Then remove the protective cover from the adhesive pad and place in position on a clean wall surface. The adhesive pad can be fixed to most flat finished surfaces. Finally, place the product over the adhesive pad and rotate the decorative cap until fully tight. These products also come with the option to screw them to the wall should you wish. With such a wide range of bathroom accessories, the Stick and Lock Plus range means you can coordinate your entire bathroom while also providing valuable additional storage space for even the heaviest of toiletries.